Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have an administrator account and a backup. This protects you if something goes wrong. Once done, open gpedit. MSC for local policies or GPMC. MSC for domain-level work. Make sure to identify the exact OU or domain and the linked GPO name. Write it down. Now, navigate to the policy scope and settings so you can see what applies. This gets you straight into action without delay and prevents accidental removal of unrelated policies. You now disable or unlink the offending group policy. In GPMC, locate the link on the OU, right-click and toggle link enabled off or choose delete to remove the link. This preserves the GPO object. If the GPO was enforced, remove enforcement and review blocked inheritance. Also check security filtering and WMI filters so the policy no longer applies. For local policies, set each setting to not configured and then run gpupdate/force to push the change. Finish by cleaning up and verifying removal. You can delete unused GPO objects or move them to an archive container, then force AD replication and run gpupdate/force on target machines. Use RSOP, MSC or gpresult/H report. HTML to confirm the policy no longer applies. If users still see settings, check for remnants, registry entries, startup scripts, or scheduled tasks created by the policy. If problems persist, restore from your backup and diagnose the specific setting that didn't revert.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.